What's up, everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tip. Some time back I started a series that's called Talking Cars. I don't have many videos on it yet, but it's something I plan on building on. And what it is if I come across a car with a poor design or a good design or just something about cars in general, it's just short little videos I'm gonna bring to your attention. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about an 18 C-Max. I've got a customer here who was driving his car along and he hit something in the road, put a hole in his tire, messed up his fender, a little side part on the door there. So he pulls over, goes to get the spare tire. There is no spare tire. This car was made with a compressor. You literally have to take it, hook it up to the vehicle, however they want you to do it, put it to the tire, and it slowly puts air in there. Then you're supposed to be able to pump it up and get to where you're going. Well, if you got a hole like this guy here, you're stranded. You're not going anywhere. And not only that, let's say you run over a nail, something the size of maybe a 16th or an 1/8 inch wide, and it comes out, you got a hole. I'm sure that little compressor in that car is not gonna put up that kind of volume to pump that up. You're stranded. You gotta call a tow truck, or most likely, you're gonna call who? The dealership for a tow. Well, I'm gonna tell you what, to me, my personal opinion is, that's kind of the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. There should be some kind of a spare tire in this car, so if you wanna put it on, you can get to the next place you're going, not rely on a compressor that's probably gonna put out 3 PSIs of pressure just to pump up a tire. You'll be there forever, right? So leave me a comment. I wanna hear what you guys think about that. I wanna hear your opinions, your do's, your likes, your dislikes. I'm just really curious to what everybody thinks about that. I mean, I guess I'm old school. I just want a tire to put on there. If my wife calls me up and says she's broke down somewhere, I want to be able to ride to where she is, put a spare tire on, and get to where I'm going. I don't want to have to pay a record company $200 and some for an after-hour tow. So I'm real curious what you guys have to say. All right, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.